Hey guys, welcome back to CarFeel. Today we'll be checking out this all-new 2021 Honda Civic 1.8 ORIEL. Like mentioned, it came with a 1.8 engine CVT transmission, producing over 138 brake horsepower. Front consists of Honda's signature grille, beautiful looking LED headlamps, and functional fog lamps. Overall, in my opinion, making it one of the finest looking cars in Pakistan. Now moving on to the side profile of the car. Honda, from the looks of it, was targeting for a younger audience because it's a very aggressive design consisting of sharp character lines, giving the car overall a very sporty look. Moving on to the back of this car is also very beautiful. The taillights equipped with LEDs almost mimic a lava lamp. The car has auto blue functionality, ample amount of room in the back for any sort of luggage, 355 liters to be precise. Now let's move on in. I'll stop talking and we'll do the POV drive.